Kidswanna! Hi kids! We are gonna take animal toys to the pool. But not just any pool. A ball pit. It's a pool filled with balls. It's gonna be so much fun. Let's start. First, let's take Monkey to the pool. You are gonna enjoy this ball pit. I'm scared. Don't be scared. You're right, this is not scary at all. It's so much fun. Wow! I love this pool. Your time is up. Other animal toys want to play this too. Next, to go to the ball pit will be a shark. Have fun. There you go, Sharky. Oh wow, this is a lot of fun. I love this. Whee! Your time is up too. That was so much fun. Thank you. I really enjoyed it. Next one will be koala. There you go, koala. Enjoy. Oh wow, this is so much fun. This is my new favorite game. Your time is up. Did you enjoy it? Yes, koala said. This was so much fun. Let's take Doggie next. Enjoy it. Oh wow, this is so much fun. Whee! Whee! I love this game. Your time is up. Thank you. This is my new favorite game. Let's see who's next. A starfish. Oh wow! This is better than water. I love it. I love this new game. Your time is up too. Thank you for letting me try this new game. I really enjoyed it. Next will be, guess who? A tiger. There you go, tiger. Oh wow, I've never played anything like this before. This is so much fun. My time is up too. I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Next will be a hippo. Whee! Whee! You're right, this is so much fun. I love jumping up and down. Your time is up. I can't wait till next time I can play this game. A ball pit is a really fun game. Everybody loves it. Let's see who's next. An elephant. Enjoy. Whee! Whee! This is so much fun. I love it. This is my new favorite game. Your time is up too. Yay! I am so full of energy now. Let's see who's next. A zebra. There you go, zebra. Enjoy it. Oh, wow. I didn't even think it would be this much fun. Yay! Can't wait till next time. I'm so glad I got to try this game. Next will be a giraffe. Enjoy it, Giraffe. Thank you, I can't wait. Wow, this is so cool. I love this game. You were right. My time is up and I can't wait for the next time. You should try this game too. Let's see. Let's take the cow. Enjoy it, cow. Thank you. Wee, wee, wee. I love it. This is so cool. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed it. This was such a fun game. And the last one is... Guess who? A tiger. I love it. I'm not scared of this game. I'm really enjoying this game. Can't wait for next time. This was so much fun. Thank you for letting me try it. If you enjoyed this video, do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.